CES 2025 continues to astonish the world with groundbreaking technologies shaping the future. One of the most captivating themes this year is transportation. These are not just vehicles or mobility devices, but entire ecosystems redefining mobility, comfort, and sustainability. The exhibition showcased concepts that stretch the limits of imagination, from transformable cars with adaptive interiors and artificial intelligence to flying taxis capable of bypassing traffic in the air. The future of transportation is being reimagined. Companies worldwide competed to present vehicles that not only move, but also interact with passengers, analyze the environment, and even provide relaxation and entertainment during travel. We have compiled the most unique and revolutionary transportation concepts unveiled at CES 2025. The future is here, and it is truly impressive. One of the most interesting and innovative vehicles presented at CES 2025 was the solar electric vehicle Aptera. The car has an exotic appearance, but its main feature is the ability to travel up to 65 kilometers a day entirely on solar energy. The Aptera Solar EV is covered with solar panels and boasts incredible energy efficiency. The manufacturer claims that thanks to this, the car can accumulate solar energy to travel up to 65 kilometers on a sunny day, even in cloudy weather, or during short days. The Aptera can be charged using a regular outlet. With a fully charged 45 kilowatt-hour battery, the car can travel up to 650 kilometers. Thanks to its small battery, a full charge from a home outlet or DC charger will take no more than an hour. Aptera Motors is accepting pre-orders for the model, which is priced at $40,000, and plans to begin mass production by the end of this year. In the future, the company plans to release a more affordable version with a smaller battery, as well as a model with increased cargo space. Honda has revealed prototypes of its upcoming electric crossover and sedan, the Honda Zero SUV and Honda Zero Saloon, with an estimated launch date. These futuristic concept electric vehicles, which were first showcased at last year's CES, are now closer to becoming available for purchase. Honda announced that they will begin mass production in North America in the first half of 2026, followed by Japan and Europe. The Honda Zero SUV will be the first model to enter production. This mid-size crossover, initially presented as the Space Hub concept, will be built on a newly developed architecture specifically for electric vehicles. It will feature a minimalist, almost space-age design. The production version of the flagship sedan, the Honda Zero Saloon EV, characterized by a low-height and wedge-shaped design, will be launched by the end of next year. Both models will feature Level 3 automated driving systems capable of autonomous driving, braking, and accelerating, though the driver must remain prepared to take control at any moment. They will also be equipped with Asimo OS, a new operating system developed by Honda for its next-generation electric vehicles. Mercedes-Benz unveiled its new concept electric sedan, the Concept CLA class, at CES 2025, marking the dawn of a new era for the brand. The Concept CLA class is built on the new Mercedes-Benz modular architecture platform, designed for compact and mid-size electric vehicles. Its design blends elegant lines with futuristic elements, including LED lighting, featuring the signature three-pointed star pattern and aerodynamically optimized 19-inch wheels. The sedan incorporates cutting-edge technologies inspired by the Vision EQXX prototype. It features an 800-volt electric system, enabling ultra-fast charging at up to 250 kilowatts, adding 400 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. With a total range exceeding 750 kilometers, according to the WLTP cycle, the car achieves exceptional efficiency through a 235 horsepower electric motor and an innovative silicon oxide anode battery. At CES 2025, LG presented a concept car of the future called Alpha Able, reflecting their vision of tomorrow's mobility. This project combines advanced technologies with personalization, turning the car into a digital cave that adapts to the needs of the passengers. The interior of the vehicle can change its configuration depending on the situation. Flexible, foldable, and transparent screens developed by LG are used to create spaces for work, rest, or entertainment. Special attention is given to creating conditions for relaxation and comfort, ensuring maximum convenience for passengers. In addition, LG introduced innovative solutions for electric vehicle charging, such as the e-centric system, highlighting their commitment to developing sustainable mobility technologies. The Chinese company Xpeng Aero showcased its latest prototype of a flying car with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities named the Xpeng X3, promising to revolutionize transportation. Weighing approximately 1,936 kilograms, the X3 is equipped with an 8. This target, Elon Musk and his team went to the ATM near their office and placed the X.com card. As soon as the money came out, everyone was happy like kids. Even after placing so many aggressive targets, PayPal was doing just as well as X.com. Because Peter Thiel and Max Levchin, the founders of PayPal, were as aggressive as Musk, but more disciplined than Elon. Both the companies knew that they had to merge. So Musk and Peter Thiel's meeting was fixed in a restaurant. Both the companies said they had the same number of users. Then Peter Thiel said to Elon, "Okay, so when our companies merge, how much percent will come to whom?" Elon Musk said, "I have 90% and you have 10%. Both Peter Thiel and Max Levchin were shocked to hear this. Max looked at Peter Thiel and said, "Is he kidding?" Then Peter said to his co-founder, "No, this is serious." Peter Thiel didn't like the fact that despite having the same number of users, why would Elon have 90%? So the meeting ended there. A few months later, an investor, Sequoia, told both the companies that they had to merge. Elon Musk gave Peter Thiel a lift to his new car, McLaren, which Elon had sold to the previous startup. When Peter Thiel sat in the car, he asked Elon, "What else can this car do?" Elon looked at Peter and said, "I'll show you." Suddenly, the rear axle of the car was completely damaged. But fortunately, both Peter Thiel and Elon Musk were unharmed. Elon Musk got out of the car, looked at the car, and started laughing. Peter Thiel asked, "Why are you laughing?" Elon said, "Actually, I didn't get the car insurance." Both went to the investor. In the meeting, a common friend, Harris, asked, "Why are you late?" Elon said, "Today, I was telling Peter Thiel that I am not afraid of taking risks." After all this happened, it was decided that both Elon Musk and Peter Thiel's companies would get 50-50% share. Later, when Elon was asked that when you knew that both the companies had the same users and finally 50-50% were going to be distributed, why did you say 90% in the beginning? Elon Musk said, "This is just a game for me." In short, he always wanted to make an impression of superiority. Next quality is vision over people-pleasing. On July 2021, Elon Musk was browsing the launchpad and saw that very few employees were working there. A thin civil engineer standing in front of him was named Andy Curbs. Andy Curbs got a leave for the first time in the last 3 weeks in which he didn't have to work at night. Elon Musk said, "What is the problem? Where is everyone? Why isn't work happening?" Andy said, "Today is Friday night, so everyone has gone home. What do you mean I need 500 people working here tomorrow from Los Angeles or Seattle? But tomorrow, everyone should be here. This is not a volunteer organization. I have to reach Mars before I die, and in 10 days, build this rocket ship with a tower." Everyone knew it was a useless exercise. Even if this rocket ship is built in 10 days, we won't be able to launch it for the next 2 years because the government will not get approval. But everyone knew what their boss wanted. By the time Elon was going back to his building, the display on the main building's monitor had changed to Ship Rocket Stab. T-19 6 hours 44 minutes 23 seconds. More than 500 people were called there. People were provided food and sleep. Even highly qualified engineers were sleeping outside in air mattresses. In 10 days, the rocket was built with a tower. Elon Musk was happy to see this. But the next day, he met a new employee whose name was Lucas Hughes. Lucas's main job was to reduce the price of the rocket. Because if the price of the rocket is not reduced, more people will not be able to travel in space. As soon as he arrived, Elon Musk met Lucas. Lucas was very scared. Elon said, "You are not